Incredible and amazing news in FUBOtv. What's going on, Enrique?
Let's see what's happening. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HD, honest traders.
Woo!
Wow, amazing news that we're going to read just right now, Alvaro. Look at that, almost $6 plus 16% today. This is stock. We didn't know
Holy
about
my
it.
god.
It was trading around $1. And look at the gap, the volume in the green candles right there. Will it continue? Will it end right here? What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments below, and let's read those news that we have right there.
That's more
Subscribe to
than
Trading HD.
That's more than 300%. 300% in just 2 days. Absolutely nuts. And the news behind it right here, we're gonna just read it because it's absolutely incredible. Disney and FUBO merged. FUBO announced that the deal to combine Walt Disney's Corporation Hulu Plus live TV service with FUBO, causing the stock skyrocketing. As you can see, here it says 158, but right now it's more than 300. And Disney will take a 70% stake in FUBO, creating the second largest TV streaming platform. This is very important actually because this industry right now is struggling a little bit. There's a lot of competitors right now. At the beginning, it was only Netflix and a few more, but right now we have like I would say 5-6 main streaming services right here in the United States.
It's a very interesting sector, of course, with a lot of competition because there is interest in that sector. And then we have also the earnings right there, that 52nd week high, that was happening. Then we also have the results of the third quarter of 2024 being very strong, with total revenue growing 21% year over year. And then we also have new channels about this particular TV streaming company, and also interactive ad formats. Some key news in a small time frame, for this company. But the highest and the biggest and the hype, I think it's due to that Disney FUBO merger. So what is happening right now with that? If you have more information, please share it in the comments below. And now we can see the price action that has happened. Remember, the pre-market was more than 178%. Let's see the exact percentage with that gap. Wow, more than 179 exactly right there. A little bit higher, a little bit lower. And then, if we go to 1 hour time frame, we can see how the market reacted after the market opened. This first candle went to the lower side, a lot of rejection to the upper part. You can see right there with the wick. And then 2 green candles, very, very big. And then the territory started to correct a little bit, but it continued to go even higher. And for now, it didn't seem to have stopped. At least this last green candle has a very similar volume to the previous ones. So key question, where do you think will this end? If it does, guys, what do you think? More upside? Is this an opportunity to exit to those who bought at lower levels? Is this a good moment to continue buying? What is your opinion? Buy, sell, different ideas? Please share it below. Honest Traders Trading HD.
Okay, important information about the stock right here, because we had to go to the net income to study if it's gonna be, if it's justified this move. And what we can gather here from the data is like, wow, this is amazing, Enrique. We're talking about like a negative net income for the last 4-5 years. I mean, it's never been in positive territory, this stock. This is absolutely nuts. So obviously you see like the stock is skyrocketing above, I would say $6. At that time, the losses were like minus 100, almost 17. And right now the losses are half, which is makes sense in that sense, like at that time it was trading at those levels with the worst net income. Right now it's a little bit better, but what happened before that is like the negativity, the pessimistic tone of investors, like they were improving the numbers and the negative net income was improving, but it's never been in positive territory. That's the difficult part. If that comes into reality again, the stocks should suffer, from even if this news are absolutely great. This piece of news is absolutely great. What we could happen right here is like a huge correction going again below, but not certain which level, but definitely not the current level.
Yeah, we have to wait and see how the big investors react to this Disney merge news, how it operates, how it goes, and what that do they expect for this stock, if they see this as a very good level or if they wait a little bit for it to correct. We will wait and see. We will update it with you. We will comment it in Trading HT. So please share in the comments your opinion about it. What is going on right now? What is your expectancy for this next week and of course this month? And let's see, for instance, the forecast section, because we have 4 Wall Street analysts offering 1 year price forecast. I don't know if this is updated, with
Wow.
these new pieces of news, but of course they were in the positive territory, because remember that the stock was trading around 1 point something dollars, and the minimum was $2, the average $3, and the maximum 4.75. They're well in the bullish territory, but right now with this current price of $6, they are passed to the negative territory. But because the movement, the rocket that happened in this stock, this skyrocketing movement, surpassed all those levels. So key question: do you think they will update it to higher levels, or will they maintain it as it was? What do you think about this, guys?
Yeah, I look at the data, the EPS forecast and revenue right here. The revenue, yeah, it's increasingly systematically, but then we have the EPS that we're gonna experience like a negative estimate, very similar to the last quarter. So that's not positive in that sense because current price is way too high in comparison to the previous quarter. But the thing gets interesting in the second quarter 2025. Here we have like an estimate of minus 0.05, which is close to positive territory. But I would say, in the annual, the best moment would be for the stock in 2027. If that's the for sure, not for sure, but they have the vision. Analysts want to see that in 2020 by 2027, it will be in positive net income, which is gonna be like obviously translated in the price action.
I think it's a very interesting moment, this news within Disney merge. We have to wait and see how the market reacts, because at first we saw it is positive. Of course, you can see the price action right there, but with all these situations, we have to wait and see, because nothing is for sure in trading, as you know. So let's see also in the seasonal section. I like that area a lot, and in this case, I think we have very interesting data at how this 2025 year
Oh my.
started.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
watching data from since 2020. Are you in the same, Alvaro?
Yeah, I am in the same. And actually, we can clearly see here
Yeah.
2025, the best year ever in this stock. And actually, the second best ever, it was like 2020, 180%. So obviously, this is a very volatile stock.
Yeah, you can see right there with 3 negative years, 2021, 24, and 22. One with minus 90%. Remember, this is the year-to-date perspective. And then in the positive territory, 2020, 2023, and 2025. For now, we have to wait. We are just starting the year. And in 2020, it's interesting to see like the stock had a year-to-date peak of more than
Ooh,
500%, the 22nd of
that
December.
was nuts.
Yeah, and from there closed the year in 180%. That wasn't a bad year, of course, for investors in the year-to-date perspective. And we have to wait and see for this year. So also, what is your prediction about this, guys? Do you think this will surpass the 2020 peak? Will it close in a higher territory, or how do you see this situation? Of course, a lot of hype around it, a lot of mixed opinions. So please share them in the comments below with respect and with Trading HT, honest traders, always.
Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.
Let's go. Thank you very much.